My dear sisters and brothers, when we look at how Mary was chosen by God, and the Holy Scriptures tells us always that we are not just come into the world by chance. We are come into this world by the plan of the Father. Each one of us has been thought of because God is God. Only He can do that which we just imagine. We can't do those things. But God can do all things. And so He thought of the plan that was needed for the salvation of the world. God had made us more and more like Him in His own likeness and image. But conformity to Him was in obedience. And that is what He wanted from us. Not to be enslaved, but to be free to respond in love. And that has a price. It always means sacrifice. So, my dear sisters and brothers, when Mother Mary was presented to the Lord, she was given totally to Him. She belonged to Him, she gave herself to Him, and she also lived this. I am the handmaid of the Lord. Be it done to me according to your word. That was the attitude with which she lived. And so, my dear sisters and brothers, all of us are called to live in that same way, and we are graced to live in the same way. So let us ask the Lord, through the intercession of St. Francis Xavier, our Blessed Mother, that we may be truly what she was, completely presented to the Lord, surrendered to the Lord, so that the Lord can do His work in us. Let us all hold our hands in our lap, close our eyes, and just be present. He does everything for us. Just be present, accept Him, and cooperate with Him with the grace that He is giving us. As we breathe out, just keep surrendering all your thoughts, good, bad, ugly, your feelings, your behavior, all your attitudes, just surrender them to Him. And He accepts them, purifies them, and gives us good things back multiplied. And with that goodness filled in us, we are only going to exude in our thoughts, words, and deeds His goodness, His love, His compassion. And when we do this, there will be great rejoicing in heaven, and in us we will be so glad. Let us offer ourselves and all our prayers to the Lord so that He can guide our way in life.